guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've just got a quick little haul for you. Not really a little haul, it's quite a big haul to be honest. It's from The Range, which if you aren't from the UK, I think it's kind of like Walmart or Target. They sell pretty much everything. They sell like some grocery stuff, Christmas stuff, DIY stuff, toys, bedding, furniture, garden stuff, pet stuff, craft stuff. They basically sell everything. I had to go because I needed a vase and I needed some tubs for my pantry and some Christmas bits. So I went, I spent just over £100. I will show you everything apart from one item because it's a Christmas present for Ben and I don't want him to see this. He doesn't watch my videos, but it'll be my luck that this is the one video he decides to watch. So yeah, I'm not going to show you that, but yeah, just over £100. It's all laid out downstairs on my dining table. If you like these kind of haul videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Lots of fun stuff is happening. I have got a members group now. We are called the Wednesday Club, which I love because Wednesday Addams is an icon. And also I was born on a Wednesday, and yeah. So then we've got that, which I'll leave a link down below for you guys. But yeah, let's jump in and I'll show you guys what I bought. Okay, so this is what I got. First thing I bought was a frame. The Bronx wood effect frame. I really like it. It's got like black edges and then the wooden insert, which is just really pretty. I got some new scales because I'm pretty sure one of the kids has jumped on ours, so it now doesn't work very well. So I got those. I got, oh, I can't lift it up. I can't lift it up. Got my nails. A wooden frame, like a grey wood frame for my print that my friend bought me for my birthday. Where's my bag? Let me grab my bag and I'll show you what's going in it. This is what's going in it. Little print. This is from Print is Dead. My friend got me that for my birthday, and that is going to go in there, which is going to look really pretty. I got these, which I think are like caddies that you're meant to have on the sink, but the girls are having them in their bedrooms as bins because they have like, if they have a snack upstairs, like a wrapper or anything, they just leave it on their floor. And I didn't want to buy them like proper little pedal bins because they're like £8. These were £1 each. So they can just have these on their desks to put their rubbish in, and then we can empty it every couple of days. I got a couple of books for Christmas presents. I won't say who they're for, but I just thought these were really cute. This one's a Who Lives Here book with like peephole flaps and just really cute. And then this one is called There's a Shark Outside. I think these were £2.99 each, which are just super cute. I love buying kids books. I've actually got my girls well, I've not got them, I'm making them an advent calendar, so every day they get a new book from December. Not each, just between them. I got batteries because Christmas is coming and children have things with batteries. These were, I think, £5 something each, or 2 for £8, which I thought was really good. So 24 batteries for £8. This isn't The Range, this is from Tesco's. This was £1.50. But I just thought it was really cute. It's a poinsettia, just a beautiful Christmas plant, just a little tiny one. I got myself a new calendar because I bought one from Sainsbury's probably only 6 or 7 months ago, but it was black and it was beautiful. But as it gets washed, the black paint is just chipping off, and everything you eat ends up with black paint in it. So this is just a metal cheapy one. I got some cheeselets because you haven't been to The Range or Home Bargains unless you buy cheeselets. Got toothpaste for me and Ben because we needed some. I went for the Arm & Hammer charcoal white one just because. Another little book. This is a sticker book for someone's child at Christmas. I know who it's for, I'm just not saying who it's for. I got some little carabiners because those cupboards here, like Fox opens them all the time, and so we're going to put the carabiners on here so we can open it, but he can't. That's the plan anyway, probably won't work. Also got some wrapping paper from Tesco's on the way home. just because I have run out nearly, so I needed some more. We got this because we've decided we can't really have a big Christmas tree up this year because Foxy, who will be like 15, 16 months at Christmas, he just destroys everything. And I don't want to put a Christmas tree up and then have him knock it over or like smash any ornaments. So we're going to do lots of little Christmas trees up high. And I got this one, which I thought was really cute. This was $12.99. It does need 2 lots of batteries, but luckily we've got some. And I think it'll be really pretty. So yeah, that's that. I got 2 lots of these for the pantry to have sugars in for baking, because my pantry is, I like to have tubs with things in. So and this is like all of our food. We don't have it in cupboards in the kitchen. Everything is just in here. So yeah, I need like a few bits. I've got some sugar up here that needs to go in, and then I've got a big bag of pasta somewhere that needs to go in one as well, and my porridge needs to go in one. So yeah, that's what they're for. I got this big vase. It's a crackle vase. And this is for my pampas grass. I'm going to go and get it in a minute and see what it looks like. This was like $7.99, which I didn't think was bad. Most of the vases were like really expensive and ugly. So I'm really happy with this one. I'm not sure where it's going to go yet, but I'll get the pampas grass in a second and put it in so we can have a look. Then I've got 2 more tubs. These are the ones that like pop open. So one of these will have pasta in and one of them will have porridge in. And then lastly, I've got some cushions for my bed, because we have a Super King bed, so it's like 6 foot wide. So Ben's pillows are on that side and then my pillows are this side, and there's just a gap in the middle. And I didn't want to buy extra like cushions that need cushion cover, like pillows that need pillowcases. So I just got a couple of cushions. I thought these were really cute. How much were these? These were $6.99 each. So just nice grey with the pom-poms on, because most of our bedding is either grey or white or black. So this will go nicely. I'm just going to go and get the pampas grass to put in here and we'll see what it looks like. So this is the pampas grass. I love it. I think it's so pretty. There's a local lady to me in Norwich, and it was £13 for 5 stems, and they're like 1.5 meters length each. And then I paid like £2 delivery, and she delivered them to my house. All COVID safe, really nice. Absolutely love them. So I'm really happy with those. I don't know where I'm going to put them yet. I'm probably going to put them on my desk, I think. But yeah, I'll leave her links down below in case anyone in Norwich wants to get them. But she delivers like around Great Yarmouth and Norfolk. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. So that, barring one item, was my haul for the range. You don't often see hauls for the range. I don't know why. I do like it in there. We go, like, obviously when it's not lockdown, we go quite a lot, but we're obviously trying to not go anywhere now. But needed a few bits, so I thought I would go all safe. But yeah, that was a haul. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.